Hey guys, this is Ricky, and check out my HeadTracker.
HeadTracker centered.
So it's left and right and up and down, and then when I click the center button, it sends a signal to my radio, so
HeadTracker centered.
so if I get all catawampus,
HeadTracker centered.
it'll center it. So look up, look down, left, right.
HeadTracker centered.
It works fantastic. I've wired it so that the battery goes to the little Speedy Bee adapter, which goes into the HeadTracker and goes into my goggles. Here is a closer view of my HeadTracker. It's running an Arduino Nano that connects to my radio wirelessly via Bluetooth. The Radio Master 16S that I have has a spot for an FrSky Bluetooth module that can be carefully soldered into place. My HeadTracker gets its power from the battery via this barrel connector here, which is the same size as my goggles use. It splits the power into another barrel plug that I use to power my video goggles and the Walk Snail video receiver. It mounts really cleanly to the side with this little case and clip that I 3D printed. I think it makes for a really clean mount.